So today is a very, very strong full moon. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick up cards for every sun sign to see what is it that each sun sign should be manifesting this full moon, which is today, 21st July 2024. So we're going to start with Aries for the full moon today on July 21st, 2024. What Aries needs to be manifesting is a clear direction. So if you've been spending some time where you're feeling confused, where you're feeling lost about the path ahead, today is the day to ask for clarity, especially when it comes to direction in life in general. Coming to Taurus, Taurus needs to be asking for abundance and also freeing themselves from their own judgment about themselves or the judgment of others. But most importantly, what Taurus needs to manifest is absolute power and a lot of abundance. Now, when I say abundance, abundance doesn't only mean financial wealth. It can be abundance in any area of your life. So Taurians, if you're looking for abundance in a particular area or any area of your life, today is the day that you manifest it. Coming on to Gemini for today's manifestation. Gemini, someone's betrayed you or someone's hurt you or someone's upset you now, and today is the day to free yourself from it. So whether you want to forgive them, and you don't have to call them to forgive them, whether you want to do their internal work to forgive them, or you just want to ask for strength to move on from that, that's what you're going to be manifesting and doing today. Going on to Cancerians. Cancerians, what you manifest and affirm today. So if you've been feeling a little low or lost or distant emotionally, now is the time and today is the day that you ask for that to change, right? You ask for emotional strength again. You ask to be your normal self again, especially if you've been feeling a little distant, not feeling your true self. Now is the time to ask the universe to help you and give you strength and guidance to be changing that. Going on to Leo. Now for today, Leo, what you need to ask is for a lot of happiness within the family. So if there's been anything that's been troubling the family, your family, or something that's been keeping you away from the family, today is the day that you completely break free from that, or any other limiting belief that's been causing you distress, whether mental distress or emotional distress. Now and today is the day to ask for a lot of strength for that. And if there's anyone who's been manifesting movement from one place to another for personal reasons, for professional reasons, Cancerians, today is the day to do that. Going on to Leo for today's full moon's manifestation and affirmation. Leo, what you're asking for is financial wealth and abundance, and again, any kind of travel and movement. Going on to Virgo. If there's any Virgo watching this who's had any kind of issue with their father in particular, or a father figure in their life, or if they have a father figure who's not been keeping very well or has been trying to manifest something, Virgo, today is your day to do that for them. So if you want to either fix a relationship with your father or a father figure in your life, or kind of manifest something for them, today is the day that you do that. Going on to Libra. Career progress, Libra. Anything you want in your career, today is your day to ask for it. So if there's been anything that's holding you back, even if it's internal and limiting belief or an external thing, right? So we've had a boss who's not so nice to us, who's not given us great feedback, or you have a business and you're like, I don't know what's going to happen, how are we going forward? Today is your day to get your answer on how you're moving forward. Going on to Scorpio. Again, a little sense of direction. So if you've been feeling a little stagnated, Scorpio, today is your day where you're asking for clarity of thought and clarity of direction. Going on to Sagittarius. Let's see what is it that you're manifesting this full moon. Any kind of past mistakes that you feel you've made, today is the day to ask either for forgiveness or manifesting the correct path forward, correcting past mistakes. And please remember that everything that glitters is not gold, and that you have it in you to know and to decipher and to identify what is best for you. So if you've been in a feeling of confusion, and if you've been feeling lost about getting answers, seeking answers, ask for the clarity of thought today and fix anything from the past that you may want to fix. Going on to Capricorn. Fantastic day, Capricorns, to ask for your investments to multifold. So if you made any kind of investment, especially financial, but in any other areas of your life, right? So if you've been investing in your health or in a particular relationship or even in a mutual fund, today is the day to ask for that investment to multifold and show you the results that you've been wanting to see. Aquarius, now is the time that you start manifesting a lot of abundance. And also, if there's any Aquarius who's in a legal situation or a legal battle, now is the time to ask for that to get cleared out. Going on to the last one, Pisces. Let's see. So if there's any kind of property investment that you want to make, today is a day that you manifest it on today's full moon. Especially if it's any kind of investment related to assets. So general investments also, but assets in particular. And also if you want to manifest any kind of work related to movements, so import, export, travel, tourism, hospitality, all those kind of things. Happy manifesting, everybody.